Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject heat transfer for civil services mains, IFS, and various GATE exams. Next topic in the chapter of heat transfer from external surfaces, heat dissipation from a pin insulated at the tip. So we have derived the equation, general equation or characteristic equation of pin, that is C1 C1 e raised for mx plus C2 e raised for minus mx, where theta is the temperature difference at any location, x between the fin and atmosphere, m is your mk is your hp by kac, or m is your root hp by kac, and c1 and c2 are constant. So here we have this case, that is heat dissipation from a pin insulated at tip. So first boundary condition is same as that of pin of infinite length, that is theta is equal to theta naught at x is equal to 0. So that is, it means temperature at the at x is equal to 0 is base temperature, that is T is equal to T naught or theta is equal to theta naught. Okay, at x is equal to 0. And second boundary condition is, because fin is insulated at the tip, so second boundary condition is dt by dx is equal to 0 at x is equal to, at the end of the pin the tip is insulated, that is dt by dx is equal to 0. Okay, so now if we put these two boundary conditions in this equation, so we can find out these two equations, that is temperature variation theta by theta naught is equal to cos hyperbolic ml bracket L minus x bracket close divided by cos hyperbolic ml, and heat transfer from the pin will be of KACM T naught minus T8 tangent hyperbolic ml. So this formula is almost same as that for infrared long pin, with an additional factor of this tangent hyperbolic ml. Okay, and this is the temperature variation in case of heat dissipation from a pin insulated at the tip. So we will not go into the derivation because it is very huge derivation and it will not be asked in exam. So but these formulas are important.